So, get a new compressor, plug the compressor in, doesn't turn on. Alright, old compressor, new compressor's in the car. So, I go to the same diagnostic, relay clicks, yada yada yada, plug everything in, notice one loose wire, fix that wire, still nothing. Jason's over here putting the compressor back, bolted up. Come to find out, I'm a fucking asshole, and one of the power wires to the compressor was bad. Melted the fucking relay. So, fuck me. I was trying to take this off, and I'm like, damn, this thing is fucking stuck, man. Like, so I was like, I don't know if this bubble is supposed to be here. Look at it. Fucking melted. I don't know if there was too many things like on. I've never seen a relay do that, but something fucking went bad. And luckily, I bought an emergency kit from Bag Riders, and I had an extra relay in here. But fuck.